What is up, guys? Today we are going to JDM Icons at Coffee and Cars. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to smash that like button and stay tuned for the end of the video. So right here we have a 2024 Nismo GTR, only 24 in the USA, only 10 in this color, in this gray color right here. Twin turbo V6 right here. Looking very clean with the carbon fiber on it. Rear diffuser, carbon fiber intake right there. Nismo GTR R35. Next up, we have a 2024 T-Spec GTR right here, followed by a nice little 370 GTR. Looking very nice. This is the seats of a 2024 Nismo GTR R35 right here. Looking very nice. Check out those fenders right there. And then the front grille looking very nice. Look at the new headlights right there. Looking very clean as well. With the carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber aerodynamics and everything. Looking very nice with the carbon fiber wing. The nice titanium exhaust right there, followed by this Nismo R34 GTR right there. Imported from Japan. Followed by this old school NSX, looking very clean in this gray color as well. Followed by this RX-7, looking very unique in this yellow color. I think this is an FD RX-7, looking very clean. Left-hand drive right here. Check out that interior. Very thin seats. Well, they sound aggressive coming in. Here's the back of a Nissan GTR right here. Check out that Nismo badging as well. Looking very clean with the titanium exhaust. Then the Boost Logic exhaust on that T-Spec GTR right there. So here's the interior of the 2024 Nismo GTR R35. Looking very clean right there.
2024 Nismo GTR. So far only one in Houston right now. I think I heard that someone else said that there's one in New York right now, but in gray they're only making 10 for the US. So it's a US, pretty rare. This thing only has like 4 miles on it.
4 miles?
Yep.
That's insane.
Yep.
This is a very beautiful spec right here. With the carbon glistening in the sun. That's gonna wrap up today's YouTube video. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to smash that like button. Leave a comment down below what's your favorite car of today's video. And also make sure you guys subscribe to see more content. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.